Hi, welcome to Database. In this video, we will learn about how to create a butterfly chart. This butterfly chart is also known as tornado chart. From this graph, we can see this is something like a butterfly or tornado. That's why it is known as butterfly chart or tornado chart. This is not an inbuilt Excel chart that we can directly create by going in insert option and in this chart panel. But we need to create some workaround to create this butterfly chart. So first understand when we are creating a butterfly chart. So whenever we are trying to compare something before, after, or some two different parameters for anything, we need to create this butterfly chart. So right now we can see that we have a data of some KPIs, uh, any anonymous KPIs, KPI 1 to 10, and we are comparing before and after data. So this is our original data. After that, we will create some padding, some space for before and for after, and there's a gap. We will fill this KPI in this gap, like here. So we have given some number 25, approximate one fifth of the graph, that this number will come here. And before padding, here we can see that the maximum number is around 95, 98. So we have taken a particular number, 100 approximate, and we deducted this 100 minus after, and same 100 minus before. So we got a pad, some extra space there. So now I have the whole data here. So first we will select this, then we will go in the insert option, and here we will go in this bar chart, bar stacked. Now I have a graph. First we need to arrange these column names. So we will go in the select data, and in this select data we will first move this before padding at the first space, then before, then we will put this gap in the third, then after, then putting padding after. So this value has been arranged. Now we can see our graph has changed. So first we will select this space for padding, after padding, and we will go here, and there's no fill. Same we will do for the before padding, and we will create no fill. Then this gap here, it is no fill. Now after creating this no padding areas, we will go in the gap, and in the gap we will put data label. So here we got the data label, and now we will select data label, just these values 25, and then we'll go here, and now we will select category name. So now this KPI that is here, it will also reflect here. This 25 value we do not require here, so we will uncheck this. Now I can see that KPI 1, KPI 2 are here, and this KPI is not required right now. So we will go in this option, then here label, and next to label as none. So it is now clean. Now the question arises that this value is something 0 to 250. It is not like 0 to 99 or 0 to 99. So we need to use this label. I forget to say earlier, we have bifurcated x axis as 25, 50, 75 to 200. 200 means approximately the highest value that we have taken here, 100 into 2, because we will bifurcate 100 and 100, two different values. So whenever like it is the highest value here is 200, then we will take 400. We will bifurcate it as a 400. Then there is a level. So we have taken level to bifurcate two different portions, 0 to 75 and then 0 to 75. We will keep 0 to 75, then 0 to 75. We can change this value also depending on our requirement. So now I will select the chart here. In this chart, we will go select data, and here we will add. First, we will add this x-axis in the series name, and then in the series value, we will select this value. Now click. After clicking, we find that this value is coming like this. So we will select just these values, and then right click on this, change series chart. Here in the x-axis, we will change this stack chart as this scatter chart, and then click OK. Now I see that this value is coming like this. Again, we need to modify this. So we just wanted to put these values here in the x-axis. So we will right click this, and this time just select this value, then right click, then select data. In the select data, I find every value here, so I will go in the x-axis, then I will edit this value. Now I get this x-axis, y-axis. Series name will remain the same, so we will go in the x-axis and we will select this value 0 to 75, 200, sorry, and in this y-axis we will select this level. Now click OK. So we see these new values are coming like this. So here we can see that this is the axis value that is coming here. Now select this axis value and go in this axis option. In this axis option, we will see that the highest value is 80. We will increase this to a very high number so that this value will flatten down the to the straight line. So here let us suppose we keep 10,000 as a value. Now we can see that this has been flattened out. So this has been almost in a straight line. So now the turn is to move this value out so that we do not require this value. So we will again go in the label and we will change this as none. Now we can see that this value has been moved. So we will select this value and we will change the series values, and we will go here and this data label, and in this data label we will select below. Now we can see that values are coming in the down side. So now just two things is left. We will remove this value. Again we will go in label, and in label we will select none. So this value has also moved out. Now there are few values that is not required, just we need before and after. So either we can do it manually, and the last thing is moving this out. So we will go here, and in the marker we will fill no fill, and in the border no border. So this graph is now ready. This is a butterfly chart, as you can see. So all axes are showing, and every axis will start from 0 to further value, whatever value you will put. Right now I have put as 75, so it will go 0 to 75. So I hope you will like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video to others also, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.